Hi, welcome back to Bajwa Family Cooks, guys. Today we're making very nice drink with watermelon because it's very hot outside. You guys can see it's 32 today here. So I'm gonna make, for this drink we need watermelon, we need mint, lemon, ice and black salt. That's all we need for that drink. Here you go. So who's gonna taste first?
Me.
What do you mean? Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Done.
Perfect for that weather. I need more ice. You need more ice?
Yeah, you.